so that was really good, really perfect conditions. It was a really good day from the just a few days ago, now in the beginning of the winter. But what to do when the things go wrong, like when you drop your kite and the first foam just catch your kite, I advise you just let it go, so you don't rip the kite in half or something. So for that you need to grab your bar, use your safety system, take it off, take everything off, and then so you are able to put the board in front of you. You need also to take the spread bar out of the way, put the board on your chest, swing, catch the first foam and go to the shore and grab your kite. So that's my tip for today. If things go wrong, let it go. You don't need to rip the kite. Try again and go again. Okay? Hope you enjoy. Chaka, see you later.